So vape shops, they're going to be getting rid of those flavored devices, but that is not a guarantee that kids are going to stop using them. We have Dr. Paul Valbuena with us today to kind of give us some tips on how folks can kick the vaping. You're the founder of the 360 Wellness Center in Scottsdale. You said one of the things that you guys deal with is addiction.
Correct.
How hard is it for somebody to stop vaping? Is it any different than stopping cigarettes?
It is well, I think the public really needs to know that stopping vaping can be just as difficult as stopping smoking cigarettes, smoking any other thing, THC or anything like that, but also alcohol or any other addictive substances.
So I think a lot of folks, they go from the cigarettes to the vaping because they think that it's better.
Yeah. Correct.
And that's not the case?
That's really not the case. If people are, I think education primarily is the most important thing that people need to be aware of. If people really are looking at the internet or reliable resources on internet or seeking healthcare provider information, you'll find that the dangers of vaping are actually outweighing some of the dangers of cigarette smoking early on. The dangers of vaping actually have not really been found out yet. The CDC, the FDA are currently finding out newer things about these substances that are causing a lot of harm to people.
So what is one of the key points on kicking the habit?
One of the key points, I think, is going to be education and also informing people that you want to quit. But more importantly, seeking help from a healthcare provider that knows addiction. Because, again, it is just as addicting as alcohol or cigarettes.
What about, like, some of the things that, I mean, they're kind of over-the-counter, the Nicorette gum and all of that. Does that stuff, could that work? Sure.
Those are FDA-approved remedies, actually. And we have lozenges, there's gums, there's patches. Those are all FDA-approved remedies, and those can help. But I think without the help of a healthcare provider, that will still be difficult.
What about your environment as well?
The environment's key, and I think having a good support system involving your family, being around people that are not wanting to vape and trying to support a healthy habit, I think that's very important.
So if somebody wants to reach out to you, your office is in North Scottsdale, is right? There's the information right there on our screen.
Yes. It's Valbuena 360 Wellness Center. It's in North Scottsdale. We have a multi-specialty team there that specializes in addiction and physical well-being. We do a number of other things other than addiction as well, but we have a whole team that's ready to help.
All right. Thank you very much. Right there on Bell Road. We'll be back after the break.